mixes from the transmitter can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver
bastard.
in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas in and near southeast New Jersey, Atlantic, Brennan. Severe weather during the normal test time. The test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception New Jersey to Capes and Lupin, Delaware out 40 nautical miles, and all of Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly more noticeable and greater dip mixes from the transmitter from KHB38 in Atlantic City, New Jersey. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. For hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas near Lewis, Delaware, and Delaware. At Atlantic City Steel Pier, low tide is at 11:04. In Maryland, Caroline, Dorchester, Wicomico, and Worcester. And on the marine, the coastal waters from Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey south to Chincoteague, Virginia out 40 nautical miles, including Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.